The Apollo DRF, a breakthrough in digital RF applications. Brought to you by Villa Sistemi Medicali. The Apollo DRF matches the flexibility of a remote RF table with the image quality and speed of the new generation of dynamic flat panel detector. One room, one detector, and one imaging platform allow users to perform a wide range of applications, from fluoroscopic studies to general radiographic and chest studies. This means better utilization of rooms, better space allocation, and lower costs for maintenance and personnel training. The Apollo DRF is based on the new Trixel Pixium RF4343, a revolutionary dynamic flat panel detector which overcomes the limitations of previous technologies. This digital detector combines high spatial resolution for general radiography with the capability of acquiring high-speed sequences up to 30 frames per second for fluoro procedures. The large and square active area of the flat panel, 43 by 43 centimeters or 17 by 17 inches, provides almost 50% more coverage than a 16-inch image intensifier. The digital flat panel technology is not affected by the geometric distortion typical of image intensifiers and delivers geometrically accurate images to support your diagnosis. The elevating tabletop can be lowered to less than 60 centimeters or 23 inches from the floor, allowing easy patient access and flexible positioning for both radiographic and fluoroscopic procedures. The outstanding versatility of the Apollo DRF provides a perfect balance between operational efficiency and patient comfort. The large tabletop can accommodate patients weighing up to 284 kilograms or 626 pounds. The tabletop can be tilted from negative 90 degrees Trendelenburg to positive 90 degrees vertical for easy patient handling in every room layout. Full patient examination coverage can be achieved without longitudinal tabletop movement thanks to the full travel of the detector and the wide radio-transparent tabletop area. The column tilting mechanism without mechanical connections enables oblique projections in any table position, including tabletop extremities. Digital tomography is also available and can be easily performed with a variety of angles and speeds. The motor-driven compression device comes in place when needed at the touch of a joystick. When not in use, the compressor is automatically parked in a position where it doesn't interfere with the patient. Patient positioning movements can be activated from the remote console, the onboard keyboard, or the auxiliary in-room control pad. The complete system integration streamlines the operation and improves the procedure workflow. Table movements, exposure factors, and image processing parameters are all automatically set according to each user-selected procedure. The anatomical programmed library and automatic image optimization deliver outstanding images with minimum effort. The patient work list is easily retrieved from the RIS-HIS network to speed up the procedure setup. The total exam time is greatly reduced by the automatic pre-positioning of all table movements according to the protocol selected by the user on the main screen. According to each protocol, the Auto Grid Selection, or AGS, automatically selects one of two grids to match the SID selected for the exam. The grid can also be automatically removed for non-grid applications, such as pediatrics or tabletop extremities. The Apollo DRF allows for a faster workflow than cassettes or CR plates. Images are displayed instantly on the integrated console. Fluoro loops and dynamic sequences can be acquired at frame rates up to 30 images per second and can be stored to a hard drive or server if needed. The contrast harmonization function automatically compensates the differences in tissue absorption and enhances the visibility of details according to the exam and anatomic region. This reduces the need for manual window and leveling. The high sensitivity of the flat panel detector helps reduce the patient exposure. The patient dose is recorded with each image and can be sent to the RIS-HIS network. With full DICOM connectivity, Apollo DRF easily integrates into PACS networks for quick and effective workflow management and image distribution. Hard copies of the acquired images can immediately be printed using the integrated film layout editor. Patient CDs and DVDs can also be created directly from the console. The use of one single digital detector for both fluoroscopy and radiography offers an unparalleled range of applications, including all the most common general radiographic procedures: chest, GI studies, tomography, and vascular studies. The high frame rate makes for a precise investigation of the upper GI tract and swallow studies. Lower GI fluoroscopy exams also benefit from the large active area of the detector, which allows for visibility of larger anatomic regions without patient repositioning. The high image resolution and the 180 centimeter or 72-inch SID are the perfect combination for upright chest studies using a single detector without having to switch to CR plates or conventional film screen cassettes. The large square detector offers enough field coverage and resolution for all general radiography and skeletal exams such as the pelvis, spine, and skull. The detector travel reaches for tabletop extremities, making it possible to perform weight-bearing studies with the patient at minimal height from the floor. High-quality extremities can be taken at reduced dose, making use of the automatic grid parking. The distortion-free images delivered by the flat panel detector are the perfect starting point for spine and extremity reconstruction using the optional stitching software function. After selecting the appropriate anatomy, number of steps, and step length, a fully automatic procedure is started. Without any user action, the detector is automatically positioned and images are captured and automatically reconstructed for orthopedic applications. Dynamic flat panel technology. High-resolution exposures. High-speed fluoro. Variable SID from 110 to 180 centimeters. AGS, auto grid selection. Minimum tabletop to floor distance. Unparalleled patient weight capacity. Outstanding image quality. Automatic image stitching for orthopedics application. Improved workflow. Apollo DRF, the perfect way to combine radiography and fluoroscopy in one room.